Hello there and welcome, or perhaps welcome back to another Sandals Resort Tour. Yes, we are at Sandals Negril today. As the name suggests, in Negril, Jamaica, home of the famous 7 Mile Beach. This is a gorgeous resort, and honestly, it's on an even more gorgeous beach, and you don't want to miss this tour. Hey there, if we haven't had the pleasure to meet before, my name is 𝗏𝘚. I'm the founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and mycaribbeanluxury.com. Thank you so much for taking a moment of your valuable time to stop here on the channel and watch this resort tour with us. Before we dive in, we like to say, if you're not reaching out, you might be missing out. If you would like to have 100% complimentary concierge services allowing you to plan that perfect trip of your dreams, make sure to reach out. My team and I, we are here to help. You can reach out hello@reliantdestinations.com. Again, that's hello@reliantdestinations.com. And we like to say that with this, if you want the best service, the best value, and of course the best expertise, you know where to reach out. All of our clients, they get insider guides helping them make sure they maximize each step of the journey, and of course when they're in resort, making sure they're prepared to maximize each and every moment and create those dreams for a lifetime. So before we dive into this, one last thing. Also, we have a new tool, which is a little questionnaire, a little quiz on our website. This allows you to answer a few questions to see which resort is best fit for you. Each of the Sandals and Beaches properties are so unique. They're so different, each with something that stands out to a different crowd. So maybe you have a really nice idea of what you're looking for in your vacation, or maybe you have no idea whatsoever. That's what the quiz is for. It allows you to answer some questions and figure out what vibe is going to best suit your Sandals or Beaches vacation. So you can find that on our website, mycaribbeanluxury.com, and it gives you an instant answer. You don't even have to wait, so you can have an instant result. But for now, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video, which is going to be your behind the scenes curtain reveal here at Sandals Negril. Let's go.
Mr TraveLux and a son, Reliant Destinations, feel the vibe. Touchdown in Jamaica, some paint in the sky. 7 mile stretch and the pelicans fly. Barefoot in the sand, let the worries them slide. Sandals Negril energy, sweet like a tide. From the first welcome to the last sunset glow. Every moment move easy, every heartbeat slow. Palm trees swaying like they know my name, and the whole scene whispering, come play the game. Cause love lives here and the rhythm don't quit. Couple link up and the island stays lit. If you're chasing that peace with the luxury feel, Negril's calling, and it calling for real. So listen up family, don't get it right. We bring a compass, we bring the light. When you want it smooth, no stress in the plan. We got you covered, hand in hand. Sandals Negril, oh we riding the wave. 7 mile paradise feels so brave. Book it through Reliant, yeah that's the key. Best value guaranteed, come rock with me. Mr TraveLux had a son in the mix, making every detail clean, every worry get fixed. Sandals Negril, let your heart run free. But book it through Reliant, only way it should be, yeah. Wake up early, see the sea turn gold. Coffee in the breeze, got your heartbeat bold. Swim up mornings, toast to the day. Poolside laughter where the sunshine stay. Beach bar vibing, cool drink in hand. Reggae on the speakers, footprints in the sand. Firelight dinner, starry night mood. Island flavors hitting you, yeah the food's so good, yeah. Snorkel out, let the reef show off. Catamaran glide, yeah the water them laugh. Rumors say right every corner clean. Sandals Negril style, pure Caribbean dream. And when you want options, we line them up neat. Room view vibe, yeah we match your beat. No run around, no maybe, no we'll see. We keep it premium, simple and free. From the first hello to the final respect, we handle the details you'd rather forget. Sandals Negril, oh we're riding the wave. 7 mile paradise feels so brave. Book it through Reliant, yeah that's the key. Best value guaranteed, come rock with me. Mr TraveLux had a son in the mix, making every detail clean, every worry get fixed. Sandals Negril, let your heart run free. But book it through Reliant, only way it should be. Yo, listen, if you want the vibe, we bring it. If you want the class, we bring it. If you want the smooth ride, we bring it. Reliant, Underground team Jamaica in the heart. We close to the resort from the very start. When the island shift, we already there. Quick little check-in, everything clear. At the sun on the map, Mr TraveLux true. Guiding honeymooners like the morning dew. So you don't gamble with your special trip. We lock it in tight, never let it slip. We got an office in Jamaica underground crew. So when you're on the island, we feel it too. Real time help, real island soul. We keep the journey steady, we keep you whole. Our flight lands late, we know what to do. Little change in plan, we guide you through. We don't just book now, we ride with you. From thinking about it to the vows come true. We listen to your style, your budget, your pace. Then we tailor the trip like it's custom made grace. And the value solid, no shaky talk. Best value guaranteed, yeah, we walk that walk. So when you're choosing a grill, choose peace of mind. Choose a team that's present, kind, and refined. Under that sunset, let the whole world fade. Hold your love close in the vows you made. Let the ocean teach you how to breathe. Let the island show you what you need. And if you're dreaming this moment already, then you're ready. Sandals Negril, oh we're riding, oh we're riding. 7 Mile paradise feels so brave. So book it through Reliant, that's the key. Best value guaranteed, come rock with me. Mr TraveLux at a sun in the mix. Making every detail clean, every worry get fixed. Sandals Negril, let your heart run free. But book it through Reliant, only way it should be. Negril Gold, Reliant vibe, Jamaica on the ground. Mr TraveLux at his sun. Yeah man, book it right. Book it through Reliant. Yeah man, Negril time, Reliant Destinations, Real Island Link, Mr TraveLux, Addison, you know. Picture this, sunset melting into the sea. 7 Mile shoreline, just you and me. Soft white sand, warm breeze in your hair. Sandals Negril glow like a postcard but rare. From beach in the morning to stars at night, everything easy, everything feel right. Sip something cool while the sky turn gold. Luxury simple, yeah, that's the code. And the vibe, it's calm, but it's alive. You don't just visit, baby, you arrive. If you want it flawless, not hope and pray. We plan it tight in a real smooth way. No stress, no guess, just pure release. Build your trip like a 5-star piece. Sandals Negril, let the good times roll. Oceanfront rhythm, soothe your soul. Book with Reliant, do it the smart way. Best value guaranteed every single day. And we got Jamaica on the ground real time. Island knowledge, keep your trip in line. Negril looks better when your plan is right. So book with Reliant, yeah, book it tonight. When the island moves, we already know. Cause our Jamaica-based team stay close. Real-time updates, real island eyes. So your honeymoon runs smooth, no surprise. Need a quick answer, we don't disappear. We're right there with you, crystal clear. Room pics, views, vibes, we match your style. Dial in the details, make it worth your while. From first idea to your toes in sand, Mr TraveLux guide you Addison's plan. We don't just send you, we see you through. That's what a real concierge do. So if you want the best of Negril's charm, with a steady team that got you on, let us handle the fine print in time. You just show up and shine, yeah. Sandals Negril, let the good times roll. Oceanfront rhythm, soothe your soul. Book with Reliant, do it the smart way. Best value guaranteed every single day. And we got Jamaica on the ground real time. Island knowledge, keep your trip in line. Negril looks better when your plan is right. So book with Reliant, yeah, book it tonight. Listen, underground crew, Jamaica true. We know the roads and the resort too. When you need a tip or a quick little check, we got the island, show respect, no run around, no call back later. We elevate you, vacation greater. Sandals Negril, romance in the air. Reliant Destinations, always there. Sandals Negril, let the good times roll. Oceanfront rhythm, soothe your soul. Book with Reliant, do it the smart way. Best value guaranteed every single day. And Jamaica on the ground real time. Island knowledge, keep your trip in line. Negril looks better when your plan is right. So book with Reliant, yeah, book it tonight. Negril, 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 Reliant vibe, Jamaica link. Mr TraveLux, Addison, best value real time. We there.
So there you have it. This has been your behind-the-scenes peek at Sandals Negril Resort in Negril, Jamaica. Thank you so much for taking a moment of your time to watch this video. Please do make sure to like and subscribe for endless more videos about everything sandals and beaches. And of course, if my team and I could be of any assistance in any way, hello@ReliantDestinations.com is how you reach out. We hope to see you back here on the channel very, very soon, or perhaps sometime we'll even cross paths in one of these gorgeous resorts. Take care. We'll see you soon.